KB back with another little message for you guys. It's a blessing to be different, honey. And make sure y'all go hit up 12 Gone Apparel.
YO, you too! It's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. Hey y'all, we got a special episode today because it's gonna be box opening time. So you see I got a present from Heat Transfer Warehouse. We're gonna go through that, and we're also gonna be stamping some Ninja transfers. I know you've seen it all over the websites, the Instagrams, the Facebooks, and you know, pretty much every billboard out there. So I ran into them at the Impressions Expo, and I want to see what their transfers are talking about. So if you guys are ready, let's grip. Filling the new branding, okay. Yes, sir. Now I'm gonna try to make this as lustrous as I can as far as actually opening the box. I know I've tried a couple of different times and it just didn't work out in my favor, but we're gonna see if we can bring y'all along with us when
Nothing more intense than trying to get this right just for the camera, so bear with me, y'all, okay? Yes, I'm using my wheel. Oh, look at that. We might get a successful pull. I'm working on my angle still, and I almost at empty art. Hold it on. Got him. Oh my God, we almost got it, yeah. Anaya. Whoa. Wow. Before we completely unwrap and get into this, I just would like to say, shout out to Heat Transfer Warehouse. We've been partners for the last couple of years, and I must say, they always come through. So we're gonna find out what's all in this box and unbox it, and I wanna stamp some Ninja transfers. So I'm gonna set Walleye first before we actually unbox. Turn her on, let her get ready. Warm her up, you know. Hopefully everybody's having a blessed, productive day, and all is going in your favor. Remember, the grind don't stop. Keep going. If you fall one time, get up. You fall 10 times, get up. If the sky is falling on you, move out the way and still stand up. The motivation being the words that I'm trying to get to. You guys, you gotta stay motivated. And I preach this to y'all, not only to y'all, but I say it to y'all to remind myself. So we all need to stay motivated. Now, let's see what we all have in here. Per Ninja's transfers instructions, DTF transfers you can trust, print on anything, 24-hour shipping, one position. You guys should know where to position your actual image, but I'm going to be using this sample shirt that I had got from Gildan to actually make the transfer stamps. 2, the press should be at medium pressure for 300 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 seconds. And this one is a cold peel, y'all. This is a cold peel. After initial press, let your transfer rest until it cools to the touch. Minimum of 15 seconds. Once cool, lift the transfer from one corner and gently peel back. And then final. They want you to get that final press in there. So you place the parchment paper over top of that, which I hope I got some here. And then you really, you repress. So without further ado, let's make sure Walleye is over here heating up. And since it says 300, we're going to actually follow the directions and go down to 300. I'm going to leave it at 15 seconds. I'm not going to change my seconds. So 300, tap, tap, tap. By the way, if you would like to use any of the products that you see me using in the videos, go ahead and hit the links in the description below. So right off bat, before I even get to pressing, there's some variations and some differences that I'm going to call out immediately. With Super Color, it's a hot peel, very low, very quick peel, soft peel, very easy to work with. This is the first time I had a cold peel on a direct-to-film transfer. I have done other direct-to-film transfers in the past. the results didn't come out the way that I want them to. So I'm extremely excited to try Ninjas out and see what I really think. You guys, my honest opinion. Now, one, it being a cold peel, could that be a pro or a con? I don't know. I'm going to let you guys decide. So drop a comment down below. Let's open up the transfers and see which ones we got. Can you come in, Anaya? By the way, that's Anaya in the back. Recording. And at the trade show, I want to say they were very awesome, very nice to talk with. We're going to just go over a few of the transfers that I did get. They're saying to press all of them at 300 degrees on medium pressure. Look at the color gradients. That's not bad. Not at all. Next, we got this global brand right here. It's called Crisp Bright Whites. Okay, so I shouldn't get no bleed through on this. I don't see the actual dye migration, that powder that they use on the back, so we're gonna find. The next one is a beautiful solid colors. I can see the vibrancy in the colors in there. Once again, no dye migration powder on the back, and I'm not too sure. I'm used to seeing like a black kind of dye migration powder that prevents dye migration. Like if I was to press this on a polyester jersey, sports jersey, that red wouldn't come through. Super thin lines. Okay, so they're saying I'll be able to get that off every single thin line. All right. Oh, that's Walleye over there letting us know that she's ready. Cut and press our Ninjas on any color or any material. So they gave you 4 little samples there, and I'm just going to use one of them. And we're all going to be testing all of these transfers on this Gildan style 6400. So let's head over to the press.
Okay, y'all, it's 302 degrees.
All right, so we're actually going to press all of these at one time. Name separate so we can do a comparison at the end. And we'll let them be the judge of that. And since it's a cold peel, I don't really have the time to sit here and wait for each transfer to actually cool down before I can press. I'm in a bit of a time crunch. My wife just got off, and she gave me the call, like, get your butt over here and pick me up. So you can see my transfers. I have them all. Once again, shout out to Ninja Transfers. I did see them at the Impressions Expo 2023. If you guys were there and you see me and I didn't see you, my bad. I humbly apologize. So you want to get in here close real quick. The temperature did dial back down to 298, but it will jump up to 300 degrees. And like I said, we're going to try them all. I'm just going to place them one here and pray for the best, you know? The little Ninja guy is cool though. Don't you think? All right, give her a nice close. Lamp her down. Can you get the actual monitor? Okay. So that was a full 15 seconds. And right now I'm fanning because like I told you guys earlier, I am in a hurry. And this is non-stop camera action. You guys have seen it all. We're gonna actually set this onto a cold counter. They feel pretty cool to me. Feel them. See if they feel cool to you.
Yeah, they feel cool.
All right, so we're gonna go with the full range color. See how that peels? Get up close, please. Oh, buttery peel. That was a buttery peel. I ain't mad at you. All right, that was a full color. Next, we're going to go with the beautiful solid colors right here, which is this one. See how that peel goes? I ain't mad at you once again. Look at these clean carriers. Okay, Ninja. Maybe working with something. I'm really curious about these super thin lines. Let's try that. Okay, and you can see it through the actual black because this is a black shirt amongst the stars. Why not add these are very soft to the feel. And they're saying you could do a finishing press after. The little Ninja. Ooh, see how I flicked the wrist on that one? Just like so. And finally, I see that there's no dye migration. So when they say crisp, bright whites, I love that peel. It's literally crisp, bright whites. Yeah. So, Ninja transfers. Y'all doing y'all thing. I like the actual feel of these, even though I didn't do a finishing press. I didn't feel that. I gotta have somebody in here that's feeling it. Do you feel anything?
It feels like the regular shirt.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Which is a plus. Once again, it's the transfers that we pressed today are on here, and if you would like to grab you a sample, head on over to ninjatransfers.com. Tell them Mike sent you. Check out the crisp white lines. Check out the super thin lines. For a matter of fact, try out the full range colors. Your boy Mike T's has just tried them out, and I must say, a fair, honest review, it went better than I expected. I usually don't like cold peels, and the reason why is because it takes extra time. But on the other hand, the feel, the quality, and the way that it looks, muy bueno. Y'all gonna get tired of me saying that word. But to the next one. Yo, head on over to T-Shirt Man Los on Instagram. Check him out. He really over there putting in that work, pushing them T-shirts. Oh yeah, and by the way, go ahead and visit him on WePushingT-shirts.com. Support the cause. Let's grit.